And we're gonna start getting ready for today's video. Good news, I landed my first casting call. Let's just say that. And in case you didn't know, I kind of started to put myself out there in the modeling industry. So I uploaded my digitals, my Instagram. I've been doing a lot more research on... Wait, why am I talking to y'all like this? I still, like, I have my digitals, the ones that I have on my Instagram, but I want to retake them like with better lighting and using my camera just so we can vamp it up a bit because it's tomorrow and I'm gonna bring you along with me. Oh, look at that. Lexi also got accepted to this casting call, so we're gonna be going together, which is nice because I'm not gonna be going alone, but at the same time it's a huge deal, y'all. Like, holy crap. I'm just putting on some Fenty Cold Hearted Gloss Bomb. It has like such a minty effect, so I really like using it. I just want to do some light makeup to get ready. Plan on going to CVS today. I created my template for my comp card last night, so I should be good. I just have to find a CVS that will be open so I can print everything out and have it ready for tomorrow. I'm freaking out, but I'm so excited at the same time because it's my first one and I barely started taking it seriously to start putting myself out there with like agencies and stuff. And it's not that it was a huge dream of mine to become a model, but I just didn't feel comfortable then to put myself out there like this. And this time around, I'm like, fuck it. I'm going into my 30s, and if I'm going into my 30s scared as shit from the shit that I used to be afraid of doing in the past, that's not happening anymore. We're going ham in our 30s, okay? I'm gonna do a light makeup because that's usually what they ask for in digitals. Basically, they don't want makeup on you, but I just put a little bit just to cover up a little bit of the redness or my under eye circles because I look dead right now. So I use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter, and now I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay. I'm checking if it has SPF, but I don't think it does. So, great. I'm going to put a little bit of this concealer right here. I'm using the Milk Concealer to just, you know, bring in a little bit of coverage underneath and just cover up all those spots that have pimples or anything like that. A little bit of redness, discoloration. There you go. That's that. Then we're going to use some setting spray. I'm just super excited. I'm really excited because I was just going off on a whim and just started, you know, applying and submitting to a bunch of agencies, researching on TikTok, YouTube. And this casting call actually happened through TikTok. I saw their, no, who was it? Someone tagged me in it. Or maybe I think I saw it on my For You page. I don't remember. But they were announcing that they were having an open casting call. And I was like, might as well. Might as well just do it. Because if I don't, I'm just going to sit here and watch all these other people do it and feel so defeated, I guess the word would be. So my mic died. I had to plug it in. But what I was saying is that the only reason why I didn't go for it before or even tried to dream about it is because I allowed myself to believe that it wasn't for me. Because of this and because of that. So I just want this to be a reminder for y'all that if there's something that you were just thinking of doing and fear was the only thing that was holding you back from doing it, just do it. Just fucking do it. Because it's better to try than to be stuck in that what if. I don't think I'm going to use the foundation. It's not happening. Too much. I'm going to use the Morphe setting powder in Banana. I know that if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've attempted to do nails. I've been working on my health journey. Modeling it was just kind of like, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If it works out, it works out. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. And I feel like that's how we should look at life in general. Any opportunity that comes your way, good or bad, see it for what it is. And if it's good, keep it. And if it's not, toss that shit. You have control over your life. You're the main character of your own movie. And you're the director of your own movie. So what do you want in your movie? You know, that's the real question. That is the real question, honey. And I feel like the more that we live life with those eyes, the easier it becomes for us to just do the things that we actually want to do without having to think about what other people will say or think, because you're just focused on you. You're focused on your grass being greener, okay? That's on facts. It feels surreal. Like, I didn't think that it was possible, but I just did it because I was like, okay, let's see what happens. But this is crazy. Like, I'm really getting ready to take my digitals for my modeling comp card. What? If I can go back and tell 2018 Leslie that she is on the road to starting her modeling career at the moment, she'll be like, huh? Since when? Where did this confidence come from? Where did this boldness come from? Honey, it was living in us the whole time. It's just that we weren't there yet. And that's okay. Because it took time to get here. Which means it's still going to be just as fun. It's still going to be just as good. One of my pet peeves is when my brows get foundation on it and then I put the brow stuff on it. I don't know. It grosses me out a little bit when it looks like white or just like there's foundation or cream on it. No, thank you. Yeah. See what I mean? Look at that. Nice and laminated, nice and cute. Still needs a refresher. If you hear a noise, it's my dog. He just found a water bottle and now he is going to go crazy. There you go. So cute. Okay. We're just gonna curl our lashes and call it a day. So the reason why I wanted to vlog this whole process, mostly it's for me to keep like as a reminder, as my little video diary. How exciting is this? Like, what the hell? I'm actually doing something that I would talk about before, and here we are, actually fucking doing it. Also to share with you that you are more than capable of doing the things that you think you can't do. Okay? Let me just remind you that, in case you forgot. We are bad bitches, okay? It inspires me so much when I see plus size girlies on fashion shows or in fashion week, or just in general with like amazing photographers and doing amazing projects through fashion or just art in general. Like, it's so cool to see us represented in those spaces, both as like a plus size woman who has roles, who has, you know, not the average looking acceptable body, but also as a Latina. Like, we need more Latina representation, and I love that I'm starting to see that more, which is also why it's inspiring me to go for it. This is pretty much it. I just dropped some mascara here, so I'm just gonna let it dry and then scrub it off with a spoolie. I think I should. I'm gonna re-straighten my hair, then we're gonna head out, and then I'm gonna take you along with me to go to CVS to print out the photos and to take the photos. So let's go do that. We have created the comp cards. You already know we're trying to make this work because we're trying to do this on a budget. Okay. I ordered the stationery card square trim 5x7. I made sure that it was front and back so that it's just one to hand out. I ended up getting 5 because it was only between 1 card or 5 cards, since they didn't have like a in between like a 3. So, but that's fine. It says it'll be ready by 4. Oh, it'll be ready by 4. It's 3:12 right now. So like in an hour or so, we're gonna go pick them up.
How do you feel?
Oh my god. Finally got my boba. Hubby said this don't taste right. Let's see. A little watered down.
Right?
A little bit. I think it's because you did double blend. I mean, it still tastes good though. It doesn't taste like super sweet.
No, of course it is, yeah.
Like I said, we have very different love languages, and my hubby likes to surprise me with the stuff that I actually been craving. We got our digitals though. We got them. It's official. I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna meet up with Lexi tomorrow. We're gonna Uber there. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can because I don't know if I can film. But overall, I'm super excited and we are set for mañana. How cool are these? You guys, it's casting day. I'm like excited, but I'm also kind of nervous because I've never done this before. But at the same time, I feel like it's like a good nerves because I haven't done this before. She's on her way, so she's coming from her place and we're gonna meet here at my place. And then from here, we're gonna carpool to the location. I'm so excited. So little me right now is freaking out. Little me that was singing to Selena, dressed up in her little like Selena outfit. we really out here doing this right now. Oh my god. It didn't feel official until I grabbed the comp cards. Oh my god. I was like, this is it. I guess this is officially it.